be locked, it will be like this. We need to unlock here.
Okay.
Just unlock and automatically this one will come.
Okay.
So label. So we need to put the label here.
Okay.
It should be like this. Okay. And this lock button. Okay. This label we have to just put in the down. So there is a holder here.
Okay.
We need to put the label inside.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
And if you see here, there is one adjustment label adjustment. We need to just move the adjustment.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's okay.
It's okay now.
Hmm? Yeah. Okay. See the inside also. See there is one two jack is there. So the label will not move this side. It will be like this. So there's a yellow color. So you can adjust here. Like you can adjust up to.
Okay, up to the end.
Yes. Okay. Then just lock it. Just press the down here and then just lock this.
Okay.
So ribbon we have to put the first here and it has to go and then this side it has to come in the upside. So it will roll here.
What's that?
And switch on this.
These are the thing
Yeah, it will just calibrate it up. So and that we can do. That's it.
Okay. Then just to come to here, make it this one, and barcode, test it. Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
move up and then there's a print button at the bottom.
This is how many? One. Okay.
Yeah. One by default, one will come. Go to